So I've had this drone now for a month. Got this on the well, I bought it on the January the 14th, the day it was launched, and I got it, funny enough, within 2 days, which I was pretty impressed. The main reason I got this drone, guys, is not because of what it is, because if you watch my videos, I got quite a few drones, and I wouldn't say I rushed out and bought this drone for that. I bought this drone because I've never seen a drone. I just like the way it's done, you know, it's folded up. I think the sort of snippets before it come out, they were saying it's going to be a sort of a small compact drone. That's not small. But if you watch my very first video on this, I've just put a title there. Now I've had it a month, I've given it a good go. I think what annoys me sometimes with the YouTube gods, as I call them, that when this first came out, they were sort of saying it's like the Neo and it's like the Mini 4 Pro. It's the in-betweener. But if you go on the actual DJI site and check what this drone's supposed to be, it's supposed to be a vlogging drone, and that's, end of the day, that's what it is. If you're into vlogging, if you've got a YouTube channel or whatever, another social thing, Twitter and Instagram, things like that, then this is a drone for you, because this is what it's built for, because you don't need a controller. You need a big pocket to put this in, but I've seen people trying to force it in their pockets to say it fits in your pocket. This is a vlogging drone, guys. It's like, this should have been called the Neo Pro, because it's the next stage up. It's got a better camera. It's supposed to be a bit better in the wind. I've seen some videos, pretty impressive really, in the wind. Obviously, I think the main selling point is this camera. But at the end of the day, if you're buying this as a first time drone, don't get it. I would get the Mini 4K or the Mini 3. They're really good drones. Okay, it's got obstacle avoidance at the front. Not going to say any more than that. I've done a few videos about that. But yeah, end of the day, you can't compare it to the Mini 4 Pro, other than the camera really. It hasn't got waypoints. There's a few other things it hasn't got. To me, this is a vlogging drone. So what this video is about, I'm going to give you my opinion at the end of the video, what I think about this. Is it worth getting? Or, you know, this is a pretty good drone. So what I'm going to do what it's designed for, and that's, it's designed for vlogging. So I'm going to use my phone. I've got an iPhone 14. I'm going to hook it all up, and we're going to try like we were vlogging. So I got the drone on, I've got my phone on, you can see it on the screen, say what I'm showing you now. I'm just going to start the drone up. Now I'm left-handed, I find this all a bit back to the front really. So let's go. I've got the follow. No, it's don't do the follow, let's do the direction track. Okay, saying it's, okay, here we go. Takeoff permitted.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, so if you watch other people's videos and mine, when you got the direction track on, it's supposed to be in front of you. It might veer around to the left, and always making sure that you check your phone. It's checking on me. It's check your phone. At the moment. Take another video, so it's already turned itself off. Okay, so do that again. So what do I think of this drone? This is what it's about. It's about a vlogging drone. I believe I've got it on medium flat, as they call it. Now obviously when you're using the vlog, I should say, you got to remember that the rear of the drone hasn't got any avoidance, so as I'm walking, even though it's going up with it, it will sort of go off to the no, it's going to the height, which is, so that's good. So I'm just going to walk over to this building a minute. It's still following me. It's coming up along the side. It's doing a sort of a parallel catch there. Now, I'm not too sure if it's going to go in the building. It probably won't, but we never know. Be interesting to see what happens. So I'm just going to walk in here a minute. It's still going. It's still going. It's got. I can see the avoidance. No, it's not coming in. It's sort of just looking at me from there. Oh, it is coming in. Okay. Whoa. Whoa. Okay. That's good. Come up really close. See, it's a bit windy in here, so I've got to give it that. It's coming. It's staying over there. Doorway now. Now, hopefully, it's going to come out. It's. Oh, I've got to do it again. Okay, so it's still in the building. It's still. I'm just hoping it's gonna. No, it knows it can't do that. I'm just letting it, giving it a chance to come out. It's coming out, so that's good. I mean, I think the other thing is now you can use another mic. You can Bluetooth, I don't know, DJI mic onto this as well. I'm just using the one off the phone. I think they're pretty good. I don't know about you guys, but I did notice with the Neo, I thought the sound sounded better myself. So I think the only thing you've got to remember is to keep an eye on the record, because every now and again, if you sort of keep your eye off it, I think that's the only thing I don't like about this is that you've got to have your phone on you. You could put your phone in your pocket, but then you don't know personally if it's gone off. We'll do it close. Okay. So I've got it on record. Is it coming up close? Doesn't look close to me. It was like. It's still going. Yeah. Can I get closer? Can I? As you can probably see, I'm not a very athletic person. To me, it looks very similar to the medium. But anyway, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to do it from afar, and then that'll be it. Okay. We do it high. Now it should go up higher now. Not much higher. Going back down now. Now it's coming in close. Come on, you're supposed to be high, close. I'm not, guys, I'm not messing about with this. It's supposed to be, on the screen, it's got high, close. And at the moment, to me, it's medium. So, my opinion of it. Now, guys, don't forget, this is my opinion. I know a lot of you out there are loving this drone. And, yeah.
Aircraft will power off in 5 seconds. Press any button on aircraft to cancel.
Yeah. I think one of the things about this drone where I didn't like it even at the beginning was I did have a few problems with it. And one of them, funny enough, is when I opened this drone up, sometimes it would turn itself on, sometimes it didn't. Shutting down was the same. Not always would it shut down. I mean, there's no big deal. You just use the power switch there to turn it on and off. Obviously, the other problem I had was the modes. But like I said in the beginning of this video, this drone really is for vlogging. It ain't for blooming going out taking land. You can, but it's designed for vlogging. That's why it's got these gizmos on there where you don't even need a controller. I mean, that's the whole basis of this drone. You put it in your big pocket and you go out and you just take some small snips. The other thing about this is obviously because it is a vlogging drone, you certainly got to keep your eye on it. And you saw there a few times when it was supposed to be high and it was close and it was flat, medium, and if you're not keeping an eye on your phone, it obviously the record goes off and you're just talking to yourself. So it's, you know, I'm not a vlogger, so I don't know what vloggers do really. Do they spend all day out just doing a couple of shots, or do they just go out sometimes exploring and they just blab away, and then when they get back, half the footage is missing because it hasn't done what it's supposed to do. But it does do it. I can't, you know, I mean, I'm, as you said, as my first video said, I don't like this drone, and I still go by that. And I think, as I mentioned in this video as well, if you're buying a first time drone, don't get it. Get the Neo. I think the Neo, it's not a lot of money. This is double. I think it's a little bit more than double, to be honest. With the Neo, okay, the camera's not brilliant, but you're just learning the basics of flying. You don't want to spend out a lot of money and then end up crashing the ruddy thing or flying off. With this is a little bit more expensive. Obviously, you could go straight in it and buy the Mini 4 Pro, a lot of money. And if you've never flown a drone before, there's a good chance you're going to end up smashing it up. But if you're into vlogging, and I know a lot of people out there are now, then yeah, get this. I think it would be an excellent piece of kit, mainly because the camera is really good. I can't say anything more about that because I haven't really checked today's footage, but I would have said it's all right. But I've found with this one, I've had so many little glitches with it. Oh, that's helpful, guys. You won't be seeing much more of this on my videos now because it's going to go on the shelf. But hey, for those guys, what I love to hear, and I think other people do, put it in the comments if you think this drone's fantastic and you love it. And for those who don't love it, who've been calling it the flop, the Star Wars thing, whatever you call that, the fan, right? It's a good size for a fan. Yeah, put your comments below. Anyway, as always, hope you enjoyed the video. Guys, it's a bit of fun. Don't take things too seriously. But I'll catch you. There'll be another video coming very soon.